Weakest person is the one who has no control over self. Pandit Shri Ram Sharma Acharya. Book title Asayam Banam Atmaghat. Swami Vivekanand once said, "You must keep a strict eye on your health. Let everything be subordinated to it. We must pay attention to our health first. All of us are born with similar condition of our health at birth, but gradually, as one traverses through the path of life, the health condition starts to differ from one person to another vastly. At most times, our health is a result of our doing alone, as we are responsible for maintaining it. Why maintaining health is so important is a no brainer for all of us, but despite that, we often falter. Why is health important? Our precious body is an instrument for our soul to accomplish its purpose in this world. We can perceive our body to be the vehicle in our journey, and therefore taking care of it, that is our health, becomes our prime responsibility. Keeping the body fit and healthy is necessary for personal, professional, and spiritual endeavors. In fact, maintaining health is very important for those traversing a spiritual journey too. It is critical for the body to be healthy during the entire spiritual journey while the devotee tries to take care and fight off attributes like impulsive nature, aggression, anxiety, anger, etc. But what if we realize we have built a weak foundation for our health? We will, of course, need to correct it by introspecting the core reasons. We will have to ask ourselves, how have our habits dented the path of good health for this otherwise strong and immune body system of ours? If we can identify our mistakes, the reason for the destruction of health can be rectified and reversed. What are the most common reasons for bad health? Most of the times, we might realize that the core issue is not the lack of knowledge and how to maintain health, but rather the lack of control even after knowing. For example, we all know it is essential for us to take care of our food with an emphasis on its cleanliness, nutrition, and purity. But still, at most times, we don't follow it. Amongst various ways to solve this, you will be surprised to know how effective an instrument our mind can become to manage ourselves and our health. How can the power of mind be utilized to maintain health? The power of mind and intellect is much greater than the body, and by utilizing it well, we can fully control our body, the intake that goes into it, and thereby its health and functioning. Great leaders and saints of the past have always advised on developing the holistic powers of body, mind, and intellect. And there are various ways and techniques to do that. Glad to present a book that covers all of the above and more that will help you maintain good health. Few experts from the book. A healthy soul resides in a healthy body. A healthy body is needed in every phase of life. Characteristics of a healthy soul are valor, courage, peace, stability, happiness, and abundance of cheerfulness. Moral virtues are developed by being healthy. If the body is unhealthy, then the mind will not be stable and mental weakness will persist. Keeping one's health at stake and being impatient is one of the biggest sins that not only harm oneself but even destroy the greatest wealth of the nation. So don't ignore and take health for granted. The biggest enemy for anyone's growth in any sphere of his life is disease. Few topics covered in the book: importance of healthy body and its used as a religious instrument. Don't ignore yourself. Understand the importance of health. True worship of Hanuman, a god in Indian culture who blesses his disciples with good health. Patience is needed for sustenance of good health and even from recovery post illness. About the writer, written by Pandit Sri Ram Sharma Acharya, an Indian freedom fighter, social reformer, Gayatri Sadhak, and a seeker of science behind spirituality who had authored more than 3,200 books.